Hello, there you go. There is $505. We have our bot set to auto trade. And one thing I didn't do was turn on my trades just so you can see the trades. And right here. So we have two trades. The first one was $300. It never traded any of this. The bot knows where not to trade. Different levels and such, like right here, it knows that these levels are here and it will not trade into those levels. That makes it really just untouched. This is the same bot that I have been running since November 3rd, 2025, and it is doing quite well. If you go to our website, you can see. Now this does not include today because it just made $500. So this would be $44,900 the bot has made. You can see this graph that we've made. Yes, there's some losers in here. Right here in February, there was quite a bit. I actually was kind of worried about it, but it still come out with a profit by the end of the month over $3,000. And, like back through March and April, it did very well. The end of April, it was a little spotty. The beginning of May, there was a lot of break-even days. That's what this orange is break-even. It either never traded or it had the same losses as wins. But the green is what we want to see. These red ones, you can see it does lose money on some days. It lost money one day last month. And if you look at this one right here, it'll be actually $1,000 now. And last month, it made $6,200 last month. You can see all of the trades in here, how long it took for the trades and so forth, where you can see exactly what it does. You can look 2 months ago for April was $4,500. In March, it was $4,300. You can do a custom so where you can go back and look. Like in February, it was not a easy time to trade in February. It was actually kind of difficult, but the bot did it all on its own. And you can see right here, we had $3,200 in February. So it did very well. You can hit the all-time and you can go through here and you can look at every single trade that it's made since November 3rd and just go back here and look through them. See if this is something that would work for you. I know most people have trouble getting in the trade, knowing where to get in the trade, how long to stay in the trade, your profit targets, your levels, this and that. This takes it all out of the equation. So the only thing you have to do, if you're interested, go up here to lease program. When you go to lease program, it is going to give you a questionnaire. You can read through all of this. Different things in here, but this is a questionnaire. It is an interview process. I don't allow everybody in. I want to make sure that you're a good fit for us and we're a good fit for you. I want to make sure that you understand all of this information. I don't want anybody to pay any money unless they know for sure what they're getting into and how the program works and what to expect. And I think that is very good. I'd say probably, well, I won't say how many, but there's many people that don't make the cut. And if you're not proficient with the computer to be able to know how to get around on a computer as far as using it, your mouse and keyboard and stuff, then it's probably not for you. If you can barely turn a computer on, then this is not for you. If you know how to just do basic computer skill stuff, then it will probably work for you. If you are able to read instructions and follow instructions, then this will work for you. We have everything in videos and worksheets and such so that you can get signed up, or not get signed up, but so you can get everything set up. So here's the setup platform. This is what you would access whenever you're in the back end after you have paid for the lease. Once you do that, then download the platform. We use Spy Money platform, which is a white label of Quantower. It's a very good platform, works great. Here's our files. Here's the license ID, how to make a connection with your broker, chart setup, and on and on and on. And down here is, actually, you know what? I took off some things and added some stuff. I'll have to go back here and save it. But there is a video that shows exactly how to use the retirement bot that that I just used, that you just watched. It just works very, very good. We do have some partners that we signed up with. These partners are brokerages as well as Quantower. Quantower is the platform we use. If you have a current lease with Quantower, we can switch it over to ours. And if not, then you just sign up for the lease inside the platform. So you're going to be paying, the first month is $1,000, and then it's $1,200 a month thereafter. And you're also going to pay a Quantower lease, depending on which one you pick. It'd be $70 a month or less if you purchase longer. So it's up to whatever lease that you pick. And then if you come down, we use two different brokerages. If you're going to put your real money in a brokerage, you need to get either an AMP account or Optimus account. I have both, and I recommend you to do both. Some people cannot get approved for AMP. It's usually a one-day process for either one of them. You get set up with that, you wire your money in, and you're ready. You get your data set up. So don't have the cash to do it, then use a Spy Money coupon code and sign up for one of these four. They're all really good. They all have their differences, and here's a little bit of spreadsheet on the different things and how they work and so forth. I don't really have like a personal 100% favored, but I always lean to Tradeify. Tradeify has faster payouts. Apex has more accounts, and I usually use the Apex and the Tradeify. I have PA accounts on both, so that works really well. But get signed up for it. If you have Tradeivate accounts already, then you would need this Tradecopier in order to trade those. You have to have at least one Rhythmic account with the Spy Money platform, and then you can copy trade all that account over to all your Tradeivate. If you don't have any accounts at all, just buy the Rhythmic accounts. That's the best way to do it. That way you don't have to pay the extra money. I think it's about $50 a month for this. But you could use Rhythmic accounts and use the copier within the Spy Money platform. It works flawlessly. We've never ever had one issue out of it. It just works great. But just look over everything. If you have questions, you can send me a contact us. And fill a form out and send me the questions you have, and I can help you out. Again, it is an interview process. I want to make sure that you understand before you lease that it's going to be good for you. And if you have any questions whatsoever, just let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you. SpyMoneyLLC.com. And again, the bot does the work for you. Matter of fact, if it had not entered here, it would have entered here. So either way, it would have got it. And if you see another signal, you can always manually add in, but you're better off just let the bot do its thing. This month, $1,000. So it's doing really well. I hope to see you in the Discord and using this bot and making the money. Everybody have a great day.